1000, 1000. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. The count is there for a reason. With firmware 01.80, the latest GoPro has corrected the quick capture and the external Pro 3.5mm microphone adapter with an external mic. If you're going to use your GoPro, my suggestion is to give a 2 or 3 second count when you hit quick capture and after the beeps, because there's going to be a stipulation, a space, incorrect beginning to start. And let me show you on the screen. I got 3 videos using the quick capture, and I want to show you the line, what it looks like. Here in Filmora 9, you can see the first video. There is a blank, static, blank, and then the start of the video. The second video, there's a little space, which I believe that's quite normal. And then the last one, normal as well. So there's only the first few seconds of the clip. And let me just play it for you. The first one, it happens. It may not happen on the next 2. And that could be the power, 3.0 volts, not in the Promic adapter, running through the cable to the adapter to the mic and going back. So things do happen. Maybe start the camera up, allow it to charge its little capacitor in there, and then the next couple of videos will be fine. But once that the little charge disappears, it's going to start all over again. So I hope this video was kind of helpful. Please rate, comment. You want to see some more? Subscribe. Have a great day. Don't forget to hit that like button and the subscribe button. Have a great one, everybody.